Hello and welcome for the second part of this tutorial with the particle advection. I simply forgot to talk about the XP freeze during the first part, so I'm doing a very brief recap of the whole setup and explaining the main part, which is not moving, as you can see in my animation. So I just added XP freeze modifier, and I simply added the new feature from the R20 Cinema 4D with the field. And I don't know, I just wanted to try something different, and I thought, well, let's try to fix some part of the face and let's make it static and just see what's going to happen. And I think, yeah, the result was quite interesting. Obviously, there is way much more possibilities. I could have, I don't know, at first freeze the whole head and then progressively make the field move. But yeah, maybe I will try this in another simulation. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this animation. I think you have everything now with this XP freeze to understand what I did to create this animation.